In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and export messages on iCloud with a method that's guaranteed to work, whether you're sorting through old conversations or needing to hold on to important chats. This guide will help you navigate iCloud effortlessly. To start with viewing your messages on iCloud, your first step is to navigate through your iOS device settings. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once there, look at the top and you'll see your name. Tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, you'll want to select the option labelled iCloud. This menu lays out all your apps and their respective iCloud syncing statuses. In these settings, identify the Messages option and tap on it. Now, it's crucial here to ensure that Messages in iCloud is switched on. This feature allows your messages to be stored seamlessly in the cloud, which is essential for accessing them across multiple Apple devices. If you have mixed devices like an iPhone and a Mac, or even an iPad, this function guarantees your messages are kept in sync, eliminating any gaps in your conversations. For those of you using another Apple device, maybe an iPad or a MacBook, sign in with your same Apple ID on this gadget. Once signed in, you're going to open the Messages app. Thanks to iCloud's synchronization, all your messages will appear here just as they do on your primary device. Remember, you won't be able to view your iMessages directly from the iCloud website, as it doesn't support that feature. Alright, now let's move on to how you can export these messages if you need a backup or want to save a copy for other uses. You can achieve this directly from your iOS device, and I'll share a straightforward technique that involves taking screenshots or using the copy-paste method. Begin by opening your Messages app and navigating to the conversation you'd like to export. You can take screenshots by pressing the appropriate button combination on your device. This varies depending on your model, but typically it's the side button and volume up button pressed simultaneously. Alternatively, if you prefer not to fill your photo library with shots, simply tap and hold the text you wish to copy, then use the copy option that appears. Paste this text into another app, such as Notes or Email, where you can save or send the conversation securely. These methods ensure your messages can be viewed and stored outside of the Messages app, while keeping your data safe and accessible. Following these steps will ensure you can navigate iCloud confidently and manage your messages with ease. So whether it's for personal documentation or administrative purposes, you're all set to tackle iCloud message management like a pro.